Now guys, quick disclaimer before I start the video off. This is my first video, so I know I'm not very experienced in this, so hang with me as we get through this. And during this video, I was a little sick, and I still am a little sick, so my voice may sound a bit different than it will in the future. And I do have a lisp as well, so I'm sure that doesn't help talking. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's a review of me going through and reviewing the Mustang, and yeah, tons of videos to come, dark horse included, and taking y'all to car shows with me, see some reactions. But yeah, this is my first video, so just hang with me, and thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in front of me, I know it's a little dirty, it's been to a car show, I haven't cleaned it up, but in front of me, standing here, is a 2004 Cobra SVT Mystichrome, nicknamed the Terminator. Now today we're going to be taking it out for a little joyride. I'm going to show you guys what it can do, what that beautiful sound of that V8 is, and maybe get a few good looks at it in the sunlight, see it really change colors from that green to that blue to that purple. So yeah, before we get into it, let's just go see what it's about. Let's drive it, let's hear it, and yeah. Now, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to hear the engine. Fortunately, it's a bit too chilly to ride with the top down. But once we get this thing going, you should be able to hear it a little bit. Hear that nice supercharged V8 whine. So in this car is a supercharged V8 that pushes about 420 horsepower, and I know for all you geeks out there that know the specific will say it only says 395 sticker, and that's correct. And the reason that is because when they made the other Terminators, as you call it, they actually overestimated the horsepower value on the sticker, and people weren't happy with that because, I mean, if you're saying it makes more horsepower and it doesn't, people are going to be very angry. So with this car, they made sure to undershoot it because they didn't want people to be mad, so they undershot this car. And as you can see, it makes 420 go to work. And so yes, even though it says 395, many people have gone and dynoed this, and they make around 420 crank. So it's still, for a car from 2004, it's still really fast. And back then it was really fast. This was one of the cars to have back in 2004. And it still is a car that's a great car to have, but it also shows how far along engines have come, seeing like now the dark horse, of course, which I'll show off in another video, is 500 as a naturally aspirated V8, and this thing's a supercharged V8 only making 420. So it just shows how far along engines have come, and Ford has come, really. still really, really fast. 420 is still no joke. Especially in the winter, this thing will, in first gear and sometimes even in second, I will lose the back end, especially in the early mornings. This thing can lose you in a second. I mean, this thing truly is still a beast, and that supercharge really does work this car in first and second gear. And it only makes 10 pounds of boost, which is still incredible. I mean, this car is very special. It's still very fast. And the sound of it is just, can't beat it. Can't beat that supercharged V8. As we see, we lost all the traction at first there. We were spinning the entire way, and the road is completely dry. It's not even that cold. It's a good 50 degrees out, 55 degrees out. I mean, the supercharger will not let these tires stick. I mean, these are brand new tires too. So, I mean, I can't do much about that. Just goes to show how much power this thing still has in it. See if we can find a spot with some sunlight. I don't know if you can see in the camera here, but see the color change of it. I mean, it's still really beautiful. You can more see it on the inside, but I don't know if you can see it up there. It does change colors from that green to that purple. Here, of course, we have the supercharged V8, handmade and hand signed by the two engineers who made the engine. Really, really special car. I mean, it's such a beautiful engine bay here too. I mean, just so well designed. Such a beautiful car. Yeah, I mean, it truly is. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just beautiful. I mean, you see the layout, you see the supercharger, you see the SVT had made it, you see the two signatures, and it truly is one of the best engines Ford has ever produced, the 4.6 liter V8. But everything about this car is stock. It has not been changed. The supercharger stock, the paint even is stock. But I mean, just something as new as easy as a new timing belt can add. I mean, this car is like so easily able to push 500-600 horsepower just with a couple additions. I mean, it truly is a one-of-a-kind car. Truly special. I'm very blessed to be able to drive this and sit here and take you guys through this car today. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching the video. I appreciate you guys if you watched it till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video about the Mystichrome. It is a very special car. I mentioned that a couple of times. It's very fun to drive, and future videos, expect to see the Dark Horse and the Mystichrome. Hopefully go out to some local car shows and just take you guys in the life of driving these cars around, and even some content featuring my EcoBoost. I have some future mods and things I want to add to it that I might put on the channel as well. But hope you guys enjoyed the first video, and if you did, drop a sub and like, and there will be more to come in the future. Thank you guys very much. Have a good day, good night, and I'll see you guys in the next one.